Ayun.
But how difficult is it? I mean, being friends, may mga eksenang pisikalan, halimbawa. How difficult is it? How easy is that?
Actually, it's easier with Gabby kasi wala akong inhibition sa kanya.
Yes,
And if ever na merong physical na scenes na kailangan namin gawin, napapag-usapan namin, hindi ako nahihiya sa kanya.
Yeah.
Parang anything pwede kong gawin with him sa eksena kasi komportable ako sa
Wala
kanya.
pang you wanted to say
Meron
something?
kasi, for example, there's a scene in The Ding. Siyempre, I play a gay father there. Nagselos ako dahil meron siyang karelasyon na straight, di ba? Ano bang nahanap mo sa kanya na wala sa akin? Ito ba ang gusto mo? So, hinalikan ko siya. Pero yung eksenang pilit ko siyang halikan kasi hindi ko, kasi
Hindi mo
gay
naman
ako.
gusto.
Hindi ko
Right.
gusto.
Oh.
Pero talaga yung sa kanya, parang, it was like we were really playing the character. We didn't feel that it was me or it was Glyza. It was Carding and Beth.
Would you do a love scene together?
Parang natatawa ako, Tito Boy. Parang pagka iniisip
Hindi ko rin
ko,
ma-imagine.
parang kung kaibigan mo yung kalabsin mo, parang medyo iba yung dating. Ayun, medyo kailangan ko ng doon. Matinding concentration at saka pag-uusap namin ni Apple at
Kaya
ni
mo,
David.
David,
Kailangan po namin
Kasi, but again, that's the truth in that moment. Diba?
Yeah, totoo.
Oh, that's the truth in that moment.
Natawa ako
Actually,
na.
never crossed my mind, no? Hindi ko
Oo nga
na-imagine.
eh.
Okay.
Oo, ano.
An idea.
Wag na.
Okay,